Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So what do you do when you're in this quarantine with this dumb coronavirus? After 22 years officially I am unemployed. Well, anyways, I'm at home. I don't have a job and I'm bored out of my mind. I just can't sit around the house and doing nothing, so I went to my dad's house and I took his lawnmower right there. So I'm gonna refurbish it a little bit for him. I already did mine and I'm gonna record it. Believe it or not, let me get it off the truck and I'm gonna show you. This lawnmower, guys, this lawnmower, believe it or not, he's 20 years old. And my dad, he never changed oil on it in 20 years. And he called me the other day, says the lawnmower won't start, so I went over there. See this lever right here? If you push it all the way down, it's a choke. You start the lawnmower and then you pull it back, and that's your high speed, and you cut the grass, right? Well, he don't know. He been cutting the grass for 20 years with a choke on, and finally something gave up. Probably the spark plug is all folded up and whatever. I'm gonna take a look at it. I'm gonna take everything apart. I'm gonna change his oil. I'm gonna sharpen up his blade. I'm gonna change his spark plug, or I might just clean it and call it good. So let's get started. So first thing first, I'm gonna just take the spark plug out right here. And go from there. Yep, as expected. Look how black the thing is. Holy hell. Alright, we're gonna deal with it later. But I'm gonna take this top apart. I'm not gonna be boring you. 3 bolts here. Take this out. I'm gonna check the coil. I'm gonna drain the oil. And I'm gonna take the blades out and I'm gonna sharpen up the blades. Let's check the oil. See if there is any in there. There is oil. Black like hell. Alright, I'm gonna drain that out. And I'm gonna keep it drained while I work on the blades. Yeah, those blades never been sharpened before, and I'm gonna take them out. We're gonna take before and then after picture, and I'll show you. Holy shit, they're beat the hell. Yeah, well, the blades came out with any hassle at all, but they're beat up. Oh my god, they're beat like hell. So I'm gonna sharpen up, and I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be like a before and after and whatnot, the best I can here. Fun little project while you stay home bored. Quarantine, more like a fucking tyranny. Alright guys, there you go. This is after shot. The job is done. Nice and sharp. I just gotta put them back. This is double blade. There you go. Looks pretty good. It doesn't need no balancing because I barely took any material off. I just smooth out the edges a little bit and put them back. Now I'm gonna do some other maintenance, the plug and the coil, clean everything up, go from there. Alright guys, I put it back together, cleaned up the plug, burned it up, cleaned up the coil, inspected the wire, put the blades back on, changed the oil for the first time in 20 years. Let's see what happens. Works pretty good. Not bad for a 20-year-old lawnmower. That'll be good for another 20. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon with another video.